Hi, it's Maggie. Today we are in inTotem Lake Kirkland area. This is where I live as well. I really love this location because this is only 10 to 15 minutes away to Microsoft, Bellevue, and it does have the Totem Lake Village just 3 to 5 minutes drive from here. And this is also Lake Washington School District. And this community that I'm going to show you, it was built in 2018. It was built by Pulte home, which is a very reputational home in this area. This home has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, over 3,000 square feet, and the lot size is 4,500 square feet. It's not very big, but it does have a very gorgeous view of the valley and the Cascade Mountain. Let's go and check it out. So when you're coming through the front door, this is a very bright home. And here is a 2-story high ceiling foyer. Has a lot of big windows, engineering hardwood floor throughout. And then on this side is an office area. It's not very big, but it also has a big window that faces the community. So I think it's a very good space for doing some work. And then coming through this way, you'll be welcomed by this gorgeous view of the valley and Cascade Mountain. We cannot see the mountain a lot today because it's kind of cloudy, but if it is a very sunny day, you will see the Cascade here. There's some already, I can see it from that side. And then on the right-hand side corner, there will be, you will see Mount Rainier through this corner. So when it's a sunny day, it's beautiful view, and it is a very, very bright home. This is the family area, and then an open concept kitchen. It does have a good sized island, and all the countertop and the backsplash is quartz, so very good material. They use the gas stove with a ranch hood, so it's all prepared for good cooking. And then on this side, they have this very cute office corner. I think this is a very nice space for kids to have homework done. And then on this side, this is a formal dining space. Through the patio door here, let's check out their great patio area. I think this is my favorite spot of this house. I talked to the seller, because they're leaving, they're moving. And this one thing they really, really miss about this home is to have coffee every morning and enjoying this beautiful scenery of the valley and the mountain. And I think it is the selling point of this home as well. Here we are on the 2nd floor. It has 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The laundry room is also on this level. Let's check out the primary first. So I think this is a very good sized primary bedroom. It does have some millwork on the ceiling, and then here again is the beautiful view and very good privacy as a primary bedroom. Now this corner you can see the Mount Rainier when it's a sunny day, but anyways, nobody can see you. It's good private, and you can enjoy it every morning when you wake up. And on this side, this is their primary bathroom. It does have a huge shower room on this side, double sink, and a good-sized walk-in closet with a lot of drawers and all the shelves all built in for the next owner. And now we're on the basement level. So a lot of people say they don't like basements, especially in Seattle area, because it's dark, it's wet. But this basement is what we call daylight basement. So from this patio door, you can actually walk out to the backyard. So the natural light is really good. On this side, there's a wet bar. So if you do use it as a media room, then you can set up, microwave, things like that. Very convenient. And then on this side, you can put your TV here, or like I said, you can use it like a bonus room or playroom, whatever you want to make it. And then on this side, this is actually another bedroom. So we stage it as an exercise room for now, but it's a good space for family visits or friends visit. And it does have a shower bathroom right on this side. So it's really good space to have for hosting any more guests. And last, let's check out their backyard. So I've seen a lot of homes with good views, and I feel like it's really hard to find a home that with a view but has a very flat, usable backyard. And this home happens to have both. So as you can see, it's not a big yard, but it's very flat, fully fenced, and on this side is great scenery and good privacy. And in the yard itself, it has a small but very usable lawn area, and then play sets for the little kids, and then garden space. So it's really low maintenance, but very, very beautiful, practical yard. And you can also see the home also has AC. So this is a very move-in ready home and ready for you to enjoy the summertime. So this is definitely one of my favorite area. I live here as well. I love how convenient this location is. And it is in Lake Washington School District. And the home itself, 100% move-in ready, has great scenery. In Seattle area, it's really, really hard to find a very bright home with a good yard, with a pretty good location. We just put this home on the market at $2 million, and we're going to hold 3 open houses this weekend. If you're interested, come and take a look. You will like it. See you next time.